All right, we're ready to pour this in our machine. Basically just want to make sure we always have a tub underneath.
Make sure your latches are good and secured.
You can see we got pretty much all the sugar out, but sometimes you get a little bit on the side of the residue that you didn't get. Nice beautiful part about our batch freezers is we have a built-in water hose right on the side so we can shoot the sides, make sure we get all the residue. That flavor's money, and you don't want to leave any money in your tub. Okay. When we added all our solution, then we want to add water. Again, we use our water hose. We're going to shoot right in there. And we're basically going to fill it up until we get through this fill mouth here. Once the water creeps up into there, we're pretty good. It's going to use cold water supply. Colder the water, the better, because it just lowers the freeze time of our machine. I'm going to set my timer while I'm filling this to about 15 minutes. Ices can be different depending on how much sugar you're putting in there. The more sugar, the longer it'll take. It takes that much longer to freeze sugar. All right. So we're pretty much creeped into that fill mouth. Tuck away our hose. I'm going to shut our lid. Turn our dasher on. Our dasher turns without refrigeration until we turn our refrigeration switch on. We're going to run our 15-minute timer. I'm going to run at our highest speed, which is about 230 RPMs. Because water ice doesn't have an overrun, I can run it at a high speed. Just make sure that ice crystal is nice and smoother. It blends it better, gets a much more consistent ice. And now we wait.